Hi, I'm in a hole right here, and the only drama here are the waves crashing in, beating this hole. But inside of this place is like this little ecosystem. It's really kind of neat. It's about 6 or 7 foot wide and maybe 10 or 12 feet long. And in here are sea urchins, dark black, bright red, all kinds of corals, and neat little bright yellow fish. I'll try to zoom in on them if I can. Absolutely incredible. Whoa! That's exactly what I'm talking about. But I prefer this drama over anything else in my life. See you later.